Econolodge at Vancouver. Hi, everyone. Today we are going to show you a tour of Econolodge Inn and Suites located in North Vancouver. It is located near popular tourist attractions such as the Capilano Bridge, Stanley Park, and Grouse Mountain. It is also about 15 minutes away from downtown Vancouver. We are now entering the reception area. A quick around while we wait for our check-in. While waiting to be served, let us take a walk outside the main reception area. We are now in the courtyard. When it isn't raining, you can enjoy the soothing trickling sound of this nice little water feature. Now we are heading towards our room after check-in was done. Let me show you around our room. A small dining table upon entering and 2 complimentary bottles of water. A sofa, a heater, television set, and a microwave oven. A colander and dish rack inside this cabinet. Cutlery set in the drawer. A mini coffee maker with some complimentary coffee and tea bags. Over to the kitchen area are the stovetop, a sink, and a refrigerator. Some plates and bowls in the drawer. Down below are some pots and pans, bread toaster, a kettle for boiling water, and a trash can and some trash bags. Next to the kitchen is the bathroom. This is the bedroom. Bright and airy with 2 windows. We love to have windows in our accommodation for some fresh air. Let's check out the view outside. A swimming pool available for guests. For breakfast, there are some apples and oranges, chocolate brownies, pancakes, waffles, and fruit bars. Apple and orange juice, hot coffee are available too. Thanks for watching.